All right, you're going to want to hear this. A huge AI upgrade has just dropped, and here's the kicker. You probably already have it. We're talking about the next generation of AI, and Microsoft is basically giving it away for free.
Yep, that's right. A new model, one that's a massive leap forward in AI power, is here. Now, while OpenAI hasn't officially stamped it with the GPT-5 label just yet, Microsoft isn't waiting. They are plugging this new powerhouse directly into their Copilot tools as we speak. This isn't some far-off promise, it's live, right now.
So what this means is you, right now, can tap into what is very likely the most advanced AI on the planet, and you don't have to pay a dime for it. So the big question is, how? How do you find this thing and switch it on? Well, that's exactly what we're going to walk through.
Okay, let's get you hooked up. And don't worry, you can forget about any complicated setup process. Microsoft has made this incredibly, almost ridiculously simple.
It honestly is this easy. First, just go to the Copilot website. Then, look right under the box where you type your prompt. You should see a little selector for the model. Just give that a click, choose the new Smart mode, and boom. That's it. You are now using the upgraded AI.
And get this is the crazy part. You don't even need to be signed in to a Microsoft account to use it. They've basically removed all the barriers to entry. It's one of the easiest, most accessible launches of a brand new AI model we've ever seen.
So, you flip the switch over to Smart mode. But what does that actually do? What's the real advantage you're getting with this new model? Let's get into the good stuff.
So, how does this compare to, say, the free version of ChatGPT that everyone knows? Well, if you're a heavy user of free ChatGPT, you know that after a while, it can sometimes switch you over to an older, less powerful model. But with Copilot's new Smart mode, you're getting faster answers and way fewer restrictions, which means you get to stay on that more powerful, cutting-edge model for much, much longer.
Of course, with any powerful new tech, you've got to ask, is it safe? Well, Microsoft has this special group called the AI Red Team. You can pretty much think of them as a team of professional, in-house hackers. Their entire job is to try and break the AI, to push it to its absolute limits to find any potential flaws before any of us ever get our hands on it.
And what they found is really telling. After all of that intense, rigorous testing, these are the experts who said this new model has, and this is a quote, one of the strongest AI safety profiles among prior OpenAI models. Coming from them, that is a massive vote of confidence in just how reliable and secure this thing is.
But here's where the story gets even bigger. This isn't just an upgrade for one little chatbot. No, this new engine is being rolled out across Microsoft's entire world. This is a foundational shift for their whole ecosystem.
I mean, we are talking about a full family upgrade. It doesn't matter if you're a professional using Microsoft 365, a cloud developer on Azure, or a coder using GitHub, this smarter, more powerful AI is getting plugged into the tools you're already using. So if you live in apps like Word, Excel, or Outlook, this is gonna be a huge deal. It means Copilot is getting way better at understanding really complex questions. It can stay on track during long back-and-forth chats, and it's better at helping you analyze documents or draft emails. Basically, your digital assistant just got a massive promotion.
And for all you developers out there, listen up. GitHub is calling this a substantial improvement. And what that translates to is better reasoning, which means higher quality code suggestions. It's a much smoother experience that makes GitHub Copilot an even more vital partner when you're coding.
Okay, so we've established it's faster, it's smarter, it's safer, and it's everywhere. But let's just zoom out for a second. What's the real story here? Why is this such a big deal in the grand scheme of things?
This right here, this is the main takeaway. For the longest time, the most powerful, state-of-the-art AI was something for tech nerds or people willing to pay a premium. That's changing. Microsoft is embedding it for free directly into the software that millions of us already rely on for work, for school, for everything. AI isn't a novelty anymore. It's officially going mainstream. And that leads us to the final and really the most important question. For years, the biggest thing holding people back from using the best AI was just getting access to it. Well, that wall has just been completely torn down. It's free, it's built in, and it's literally just a click away. So the question isn't really about what these tools can do anymore, it's about what you are going to do with them.